If you're in the market for a mattress, you know it can be overwhelming with so many options out there, but you want to do your research, and we're here to help. So today, we're focusing in on a brand new line of hybrid mattresses from Purple. You watch this video to the end, you'll know if one's right for you. Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. So you're interested in a Purple mattress? Well, in this video, we have you covered. We're going to explain to you what makes Purple unique in the mattress industry, and we're also going to review their brand new line of hybrid mattresses, the Restore Plus, and the Restore Premier. For all that, we need an expert, so let's welcome in Mike Zinna. Mike joins us now. Mike, how many years experience do you have in mattresses?
This is going to be year number 20 for me, Mike.
20. I told you, an expert. 20 years qualifies, and again, you can work with Mike at the Canton location at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. So let's start with the basics, giving you, the viewer, context. What makes Purple special? Explain this to us.
This is exactly what makes Purple special. This is the Purple Grid, or as it was originally known, the Gel Flex Grid. This is what stands out from Purple, or makes Purple stand out versus any other mattress in the industry. The technical term for this type of innovation, Mike, is called a hyper-elastic durable polymer. So what that means is it's very squishy. It's almost like a gel feel to it. But the beauty of this type of material is it responds to whenever pressure is applied to it, but it instantly rebounds immediately whenever the pressure is released. So it's great at isolating motion. It's great for, not feeling your partner move as much. It's also great for pressure reduction. And it's also a temperature neutral type of material. So it's actually 80% air. So that's, great for airflow throughout the night. The material itself is temperature neutral, so it will not retain heat. So it's actually considered, this layer actually in the industry, it may be considered the most temperature neutral or coolest material ever put inside of any mattress.
Okay, great explanation. That's really what makes Purple unique. So now let's look at some mattresses. All right, so let's check out Purple's brand new premium collection. These are all hybrid mattresses, replacing Purple's 2, 3, and 4. First one we're going to look at is the Restore. So Mike, I'm going to lay down and check it out.
Yes.
You tell us about it.
So one thing that's new for Purple for 2023 is now you actually have a choice. It used to be a one-size-fits-all approach. Now this mattress and all the new Purples will give the customer a choice. You can either choose a firm option or a soft option. Also new for 2023 for Purple is the actual cover itself, the Soft Flex cover, is antimicrobial. So that's really great at repelling any kind of dust mites and pet dander and things of that nature. They also use a 2-inch Gel Flex Grid in this mattress, and that's what's responding and adapting to you as you move. Also, this is an 11.5-inch thick mattress profile, so it's great for a platform bed, or it'd also be perfect for an adjustable frame as well. There's also a comfort foam beneath the Gel Flex Grid inside of this mattress, and it also features what they call a responsive cool technology. So that's designed to move with you along with the Purple grid, and it's just going to help create a better night's sleep for you.
All right, that's number one, the Restore. Budget friendly, we'll say.
Very budget
Let's move
friendly.
on to the next one. All right, let's step up now to the Restore Plus. I'll lay down. You can tell the difference, but what do we add here with this one?
Well, you're actually going to get 3 new improvements when you go from the Restore to the Restore Plus, which is going to be, not only is it a very soft, moisture-wicking cover, but it's also antimicrobial. So now you get the antimicrobial and the moisture-wicking technology, which is going to help you sleep cooler at night. So it's going to keep your mattress, very cool, but also dry at the same time. You're also going to get another additional layer of that Purple Grid or Gel Flex Grid. So it's going to make it a little bit more bouncy, cradling, I should say, to it. Another improvement is the 3-zone responsive cool, giving you more support where you need it, like your core and your back. So it is a huge step up from the Restore to the Restore Plus as far as the features and the benefits go.
All right, last up in Purple's new hybrid line, the Restore Premier. Tough work for me. Mike, do your thing.
So with the Restore Premium or Premier, It's got all the features that the Restore and the Restore Plus has, but it also offers an additional benefit for that sleeper. So it has to do with the spring system that Purple puts into the Restore Premier. You get an upgraded, independently responsive coil, and you get an ultra comfort layer between the grid and the coils. So what that means is each individual coil inside of this mattress has its own layer of ultra comfort foam, which absolutely assists the body to every bend, every curvature, every movement you make to precisely adapt to you. These coils can offer more support and better contouring to your body, especially in your core and your low back. This is a phenomenally well put together mattress with all the upgrades in it.
Great job by Mike there, really outlining what makes Purple special and also doing a great job outlining Purple's brand new line of hybrid mattresses. And while you're on our YouTube channel, we have other videos that help you pick the mattress that's perfect for you and get you a great night's sleep. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.